news for pet lovers. From July 9th, our furry friends can join us at approved dining spots in Hong Kong. How do local dog owners feel about this new rule? Let's find out.
我覺得其實咧，狗狗可以入到去餐廳咧，係對於主人啊同埋佢自己嚟講都係雙贏嘅局面嚟嘅，因為好多時候我哋都淨係可以坐到邊緣嘅位啦，或者戶外嘅位啦。咁其實可能夏天帶佢哋出街都會好熱。
非常好啊，我都好歡迎，好開心有呢個生效。
I feel really happy and my dog also feel really happy. That's really good news for us.
開心啦！啲狗狗可以入去餐廳，因為而家天氣好熱啊。頭先我都係帶佢哋食嘢坐室外，其實就算有個 cover 都係好熱咯，係啦。咁所以如果入到室內咧，我覺得亦都可以推動經濟啦，因為香港都好多人養狗噶嘛。咁如果你養狗嘅人可以多啲帶啲狗出去咧，我覺得都係一個賣點咯。咁可能對於啲餐廳嘅消費都有幫助。
商戶即係有權決定佢自己接唔接受呢個狗狗入餐廳。如果唔中意狗狗，亦都可以唔幫襯嗰間餐廳，由商戶決定招唔招呼呢班人，大家自己去市場嘅平衡咯。
I heard it was something was going to start, which is great news because obviously it's very hard when you have a dog. Maybe the house is not so big. Take it out, especially maybe for food.
試過有一次去一個餐廳嘅時候咧，佢話係可以有一個寵物嘅地方嘅，咁但係咧點知其實佢都要留喺譬如喺門外面咁樣啦，咁所以其實就會變咗好難同佢哋一齊出去食飯啦。
我就係坐室外嗰啲咯，我哋係比較守規矩嘅，咁都係一啲可以狗狗坐出邊係比較合法嘅地方先會去咯。
我覺得而家比起之前嚟講，狗狗嘅設施都的確好咗好多啦。好似呢架車佢都可以有一啲便利嘅袋俾我哋啦，同埋有好多時候一啲比較大啲嘅商場都可以借到一啲尿墊啊、尿布啊，甚至係水壺等等。咁當然可以再做得好啲嘅，譬如就係想可以擴大到多啲商場或者多啲唔同嘅地方都有呢啲設施，或者可以有呢啲租用服務嘅話，就更加好。
我希望當然係呢個交通工具啦，例如地鐵啊各方面嘅嘢都可以俾狗狗，譬如禮拜六日啊，周圍去都可以係啦，咁乘坐可以更加多地方去咯。
Right now is more easily more than before. Before is quite hard, but right now is more open.
都可以嘅，但係希望可以再普及啲咯。咁但係我見到其實好多公園咧都係暫時唔可以俾狗入。咁有時我見到啲公園嗰個使用率其實都唔係咁高，咁如果可以俾我哋帶狗狗入去，咁就會更加好咯。但係我都知道有啲人係可能有啲抗拒嘅，但係我都想講就係其實我覺得而家香港嗰啲狗主咧都好自律嘅，即係大家都會係啲狗狗譬如屙完尿啊，咁大家都會清潔翻啦，咁所以我覺得其實可以再開放多啲公園咯。
即係如果喺香港嚟講，我覺得狗狗嘅設施而家越嚟越完善咯，即係好似商場都好多俾狗狗入咯，即係 OK 咯，而家即係。慢慢嚟咯嚇，我希望多啲餐廳參與呢個可以俾狗狗入去啦，咁等大家有個選擇咯。
Is I'd like to see more connection with the dogs and younger children, because a lot of people they're scared of the dogs, and I think it's more about they haven't been in contact with pets or dogs or cats or anything. So it'd be nice if they integrate that into schools. It'd be perfect.